Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this natural tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I honestly love this palette. It's definitely a go-to palette for my natural looks. So if you're more on the natural side of eyeshadows, this is definitely the palette for you, and I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. It's literally like 4 shades, the easiest tutorial you will ever probably see. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And then I'm also gonna be doing kind of like a combo look because this was more inspired on these lashes, because these lashes are so glam and so out there. I really wanted to match it up with a natural look just to make these lashes and this look pop even more. So with that being said, if you are into natural tutorials and you're excited for this one, then just keep watching. So today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. If I didn't mention that before, this is like literally my go-to palette for my natural eyeshadow tutorials. Like, I'm obsessed with this palette for my natural looks. And here I just took my Jeffree Star concealer and I set that, and now I'm going straight in with Roxanne, and I just use that on a fluffy brush just to use that to blend that into the outer portion of my crease and blend that up. I wanted the focus to be more on the outside so that way it would give me more of a cat eye effect. I honestly love this shade so much, and this is going to be such an easy tutorial, and this is going to be also focused on my hooded eye people. So notice how I'm taking this transition shade high, just because whenever you have hooded eyes and you want to cut your crease, you want to make sure that you're able to cut it high enough for those transitions and everything to still be noticeable. If y'all have hooded eyes, y'all know exactly what I mean, because when you open your eye, the look is completely gone. And I feel you, sis, I really do. So I just want you to know that, like, you just really need to take your looks a little bit higher, and that's okay. Airspun, I use this just to diffuse out all those edges even further and make everything look really diffused and smooth, and I feel like it just makes it look so bomb. That's why I was like, oh yes, clean. Here I went back in with that same shade, and I'm just going back in with the same shade, and I'm just rebuilding that color, rebuilding it where I want to, and then just rediffusing it all over again. I like to go back and forth between my steps. Y'all already know this. That's just something that I always do. So now I'm taking the shade Jax, and I'm going to be using that even closer to that portion of the outer portion of the corner that I wanted to stay focused on, just to add depth right there, and like I said, add that cat eye effect, because depth is everything. When you rebuild color and you add depth and this to your look, it honestly adds so much more of a, like, just flawless look on your face, and it makes those shades look so much more focused on and concentrated. And here, like I said, I'm going back in with those same shades, and I'm just blending those out, rebuilding those colors where I want them, and like I said, making sure that I am using those transitions higher than basically when I open my eye, higher than that point, because obviously you want the look to be noticeable. You want to be able to open your eye and see the look. So here I'm taking my Jeffree Star concealer, and I'm just going to be packing that on and just going to be cutting my crease with it, looking up, and then I use that as a guide, because I mean, obviously, when you open your eye is whenever you have that issue and you're not able to really see the look. Oh yeah, and this is Daisy, my sister's cat. But yeah, you're not really able to see the look, so that's why I like to look up with the concealer really close to my lash line. Look up and then do it, um, and that should create basically where you want to end that line, and then you just kind of stamp the concealer from there, making sure to use a little bit at a time because you don't want to use it all at once. And by the way, you guys, I just really want to talk about this real quick just because there's so much tea going on in the YouTube community, and my channel is not about that at all. Y'all know that I love just keeping it love and light. I keep it real. I'm keeping it real with y'all at the end of the day, but it's not gonna be like I'm not a shady page, you know what I mean? Like, that's not what I am. I literally just come here to show y'all my work and my art and all that good stuff, and y'all can see me stamping here. But anyways, my point. So like I said, there's so much tea in the beauty community, and I honestly want nothing to do with it. Like I said, I'm my own person, you guys. I hope that y'all can respect that. Honestly, any brands that I use, I honestly love the products of these brands. It doesn't mean that I support the choices that these humans make on a daily. I'm just letting you know, like, I support these brands, and I kind of already have those products, or I supported those brands. I'm not no longer supporting those brands just because I realized that they're just not good people with good intentions, and I really am not about that. I have good intentions with my page. I have a big heart, and I really just want to spread love and light. Like I said, I always say that in my intro, but it's because I genuinely mean it. You know what I mean? I don't come on here to talk about me and to talk about my life. Like, so with that being said, you guys, most of my videos are literally mostly Jeffree Star products, and that's just because at the end of the day, like, his products are good, whether you like him or not. Like, his products are good, and that's just me being real with y'all. Like I said, I don't agree with the choices that these people make on a daily, but at the end of the day, that's not me. I don't want y'all to think that I'm ever connected with them in that type of way. Like I said, it was just, I already have their products. I'm gonna continue to use them. I'm not about to stay here and like waste my boyfriend's hardworking money and just throw it down the drain. I feel like that's so ungrateful, and I'm a very grateful person. So like I said, I'm gonna continue to use them. I don't think anybody's gonna be searching up those products anymore, just because I feel like it's really coming to a point where Shane's gonna be canceled, and I don't know. I mean, so many people are trying to cancel Jeffree, and it's just like so much tea, like I said. So yeah, I'm just, like I said, watching from the sideline, but like I said, I don't want anything to do with that. That's just, it has nothing to do with me. So with that being said, like, I hope that y'all appreciate the fact that I come on here to make tutorials for y'all. Like, I literally come on here to show y'all my art, so y'all can express yourselves through makeup, so y'all don't feel judged when y'all come to my YouTube, and y'all feel accepted and loved. So I just hope that y'all understand them. So real quick, got these lashes and this liner sent to me by Body Goddess Shop. I honestly love these lashes that I'm about to show, and I love this liner so much because it's so dark and it's just like bomb. So as for the Jeffree Star and the Tati and the Shane tea, I'm off of it. I really am just moving on from that because, like I said, that's their issue, not mine. I feel like there were so many wrongs at the end of the day, and you know, they need to take accountability for their actions. Wrong is wrong. I think once you're over the age of 18, you should have common sense to know what you're posting and what you're saying online, and making sure to re-watch those things, re-listen to what you're saying. Don't just talk out of your fucking butt. Sorry, but like, don't talk out of your butt. You know what I mean? Like, why do people do that? I don't get that. Anyways, at the end of the day, I want you to know that it's your choice who you watch and who you choose to in other words, take in, because you are taking in their energy when you're watching them. And like I said, it's your choice if that's the type of people that you want to consume your life around. You know what I mean? I don't think that they have the best intentions, and I feel like we need to start supporting creators that actually have good intentions, have good heart, and are actually talented. You know what I mean? I feel like I've been working my butt off, and I haven't got the recognition in that I deserve, but I know that it's coming. I know that it's coming very, very soon for me. And I mean, it's coming whether you want to support me or not. You know what I mean? It's either you're getting on or you're not. So with that being said, like, I'm grateful for the ones that watch my videos, and I know that y'all understand in the same way that I do, that these likes and these followers and these viewers and all this they don't, like, none of it matters. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't define you as a person. You define you, and your opinion is the only thing that matters. So that being said, I'm gonna stop preaching. This turned into a preaching video. I did not expect that, but anyways, so I used the Lush mascara, and then I put on these bomb lashes. Alright, Foxy, so this is the finished look on the natural eyeshadow tutorial. I had so much fun making it, and I mean, I always have so much fun making videos with y'all, for y'all. I honestly put so much love and effort into all my videos, and we literally just made a year on YouTube, which is so freaking mind-blowing, because it feels like I just started yesterday. Like, it feels like we just started yesterday. I want y'all to know that I literally do this for so many purposes, but I want y'all to know the main one is for y'all, to make y'all happy and to teach y'all about eyeshadow looks that you can express yourself through. So with that being said, I love y'all so much. Make sure to leave me some love, some likes, some comments, and happy 1 year on YouTube, you guys. I'll see y'all next Wednesday or Saturday. Alright, bye, Foxies.